Dear children, now you will learn how to measure the angles by using the protractor. So this is the protractor, and by using it how to measure an angle. So first look at carefully what is it. Look at here, 0 to 180 and there is 0 to 180. Okay. In down there is 0 to 180 and in up there is 0 to 180. So you have to measure any angle by using this measurement. Okay, how to measure it? Okay, let's see. If you have draw a line, it's just a rough, so I'm not using a scale like this. Okay, it is dependent on where is the arrow line mark. Where is the arrow mark? If you put arrow mark in this side, so keep this protractor and match this point and this point exact. Okay, okay, I have put it here. I have put the exact point to point. Okay, if arrow mark is in this side, so we'll take the measurement from this 0. Okay, as you know that we start the counting number from 0. Okay, so now if arrow mark is there, so you have to start measurement from this 0 in down. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever is given, there is no problem, but from where it starts, it is very important. So if arrow mark is there, so you will start from this 0. Okay, if the arrow mark is given in this side, okay, again just match this point to point. Okay, and if arrow mark is in this side, then you have to take measurement from this 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever is given. Okay, so I will show you if measurement is given is 30 degree. Okay, if measurement is given is 30 degree. Okay, how to measure it? So first take the, okay, now the measurement is 30 degree. How to measure this angle by using protractor? Take a protractor and draw a line. By using this protractor, draw a line. Okay, and put arrow mark. Okay, again match the point to point. I have matched it point to point. Okay, so arrow mark is in this side, so you will start from this 0. Okay, so what is the measurement? 0, 10, 20, 30. So this is the right measurement, and you just draw a line and arrow mark is here and make an angle and write inside the angle you will write 30 degree. Okay, now second measurement is 75 degree. How to measure it? Okay, I will show you. First draw a line. I am drawing this line from this side. Okay, arrow mark and just match to point. Okay, I have matched it. Okay, so arrow mark is this side, so we will start from this 0. So their measurement is 75, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. There is a 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Okay, you know about it because it is given in scale and you have solved such type of question in class 3. Okay, 75. So just take a point and match this one. Join these two lines, these 2 points, and the angle is come. This is the measurement of 75 degree. Okay, next question is 115 degree. How to measure it? It is dependent on arrow mark. Okay, so I am drawing a line here. Arrow mark is here. Match point to point. Both are matched 115 degrees. So arrow mark is here. Start from this 0. 0 to 100, 110 and 120, 110. Between 115 degree is placed. Okay, put a point here and match this one. Just join this point to point. The 115 degree angle is drawn. Okay, one more question. If I have written here, I am writing here 165 degree. How to measure it? Okay, so I will show you from both sides. The angle is dependent on the line segment where arrow mark is placed. Okay, so keep this protector on the point and there is arrow mark, so start from this 0. Okay, so 0 to 160 and 170, there in there between 165 is placed. Now join this point to point. Okay, join this point to point and arrow mark is here. So 165 degree angle is completed. So you will try how to solve it. Thank you.